Lucy.
Alright, it's time to give the duck some brekkie. Alright, all you duckies, how's it going on? Have you been fine over days? Haven't got any of the flu? Great, someone throw bread up here. You're not even allowed to feed ducks bread because it gets avian botulism. Gilbert, is that you? I don't think it's him, Mum. I haven't even seen him. He's always well hidden, that duck. Alright, Dennis, the one with the brown spots on it.
Yeah.
The duck. Yeah, that's Dennis with the one with brownish speckles on him. And with the Finnish neck, Mum. The Finnish band on his neck, Mum.
What?
Well, it's well, the neck's much thicker than this neck. I think he's obviously the new duck here, isn't he? Dennis, stop being a menace, mate.
Now.
Dennis, you little brat. Gosh, these ducks are aggressive these days. Hey! Stop it. Gosh. Oh yeah, you must have noticed, hadn't you? Gosh, this whole pecking thing is getting out of control. While Dennis is waiting at the pecking river, I bet he's waiting to peck another duck by the toe. Because he's a menace. Like usual. It's okay. I saved you from that bully duck with an angry face. I guess it's just a normal mating season as usual.